All right. So, are we recording?
Yes.
Okay. So today we're gonna make jail cakes. All right. And jail cakes, you take Oreos, some bowls, some water, and our rolling pin. All right. So what we're gonna do first is I wash my hands before I come up here. So you're gonna take your jail cakes right here, and we're gonna separate them. So you gonna do it too.
Why have to?
Yeah, we're gonna do it together.
How many bowls we have?
That's fine. We're just gonna make one big one.
I don't need to be in this.
Yes, she does. She's adorable. All right, so we separate our cookies. So we open them up.
I would really go sanitize my hands because I just opened those.
Okay. Well, I wash my hands before I come up here, so we're gonna take our. We're making a mess because it's the best crafts ever. When you make a mess. Alright, so just peel them apart like this. And then put the cream in here and the little bits in here, and you can break them up a little bit.
That won't affect the cookies on this.
It doesn't matter if they all smushy because we're going to break them up anyway.
You should take a note out because it hurt if we eat any of those along the way because they come off so nice.
Yes, they do. I love it.
That's the part I like the best.
I liked the mint ones because like they are just so good, and like I like the cream, so I'll just lick off the mint part. When we were younger, me and my brother don't get along, but when we were younger, I would pull pranks on him, and I would take his Oreos, and I would take off all the cream, and then I would put toothpaste in the middle.
Perfect.
So that's a prank right there for you.
You don't learn that in jail. And how did you learn this recipe?
I work in a prison, so I learned it from one of the inmates. I have not been to jail.
Well, I was very surprised when I looked up recipes,
Mm-hmm.
and they have lots and lots of cookbooks.
You know Martha
Like
Stewart was in prison?
Yes,
She made a cookbook, I think, didn't she?
Martha Stewart is like Miss Domestic Goddess, or she thinks she is.
And
And here's,
she probably has like a whole cookbook.
well, for insider trading. And you know what the best part about it was? They had a decorating contest, a cell decorating contest in prison,
Mm-hmm.
and she lost.
Oh.
You know how she didn't.
So we're just gonna use this bowl to like mush up our cookies. Because when you're in prison, you kind of gotta make what's due.
They make these in themselves. See, I didn't even know they could have their own food.
Yep. So when you're in prison or prison, not necessarily jail, but you can order from like the store, and basically like once a month, I think, you can like place your order, and you can get like ice cream or like soda, I guess, Gatorade, and then soups, which are basically just little ramen things.
Hmm.
But you can get rice and potatoes and all that other stuff. Literally everything in prison is unhealthy. Everything. And if you're like, on a special diet, like a renal diet, it sucks.
I should have really got a bigger bowl. So don't they give them special diets? They have special meals.
Sometimes. Let's see if this helps a little bit better. There we go. I'm not so worried. Mushing. There. We just want to get it kind of like softer.
Are you trying to make it into a powder?
Not a whole powder, but as powder as we can get.
Get another paper.
Yeah, we might need one. This is fun. You want to try this one, David?
That's all right, you're doing great.
Thank you. So we're almost there, almost smushed. Huh?
Could also put in this, little bits.
Oh yeah. We're almost done.
There's quite a bit of crumbs. I mean, I'm impressed with this whole thing, obviously.
Alright, so that's mushy.
We need a fork. Oh,
Yeah, we probably need a fork.
Can you use plastics?
Yep. You can't use sharp ones.
You use a spoon?
Maybe a spoon, yeah, for the this. There.
So I assume in prison they would use some sort of shiv for that?
Yeah. Alright, so ready for the water?
Hmm?
Do you want to pour the water?
Oh, sure.
So pour in a little bit at a time. We'll just kind of mix it up. Yep. So then you just mix, 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 mix.
We need more than that.
Mm-hmm. There. So then mix, 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 mix.
I guess we'll get a clean spoon when you're ready. Or you tell me to go get it now. I'll get it now. I was not very prepared.
That's okay. All right. See how it's like all mushy and kind of like gross. So just be like that. There. Isn't that gross?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Looks decadent.
It is, yes. Very good. So this, see it now? Look, it looks like kind of like, look.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just like batter. With like chunks in
It does, it looks like cake batter now.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Hence, Jill cakes. Alright, so now we go microwave it.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with 30 seconds at first.
You kill them?
No, I have no password. Yeah. There's snakes inside. There's a whole fridge full of them. Maybe. It just sounds fun.
That's why.
Did you go to Collin University, really? Are you joking?
No, it's true. No, really, they
Yeah, I know, that's cool, that's cool, I really think that's cool.
Yep, so just a teeny bit more. So 30 seconds.
That must have been an
It's supposed to be a
interesting
minute, but I like to do it
experience.
just to
It
try.
must have been a very interesting experience.
I got in trouble.
Did you?
They had, when we were doing balloons, they gave us, they have different shapes of balloons. Like one we had was a heart. Well, it looked like a little baby's butt, mine did, because it was pink and nice. And I said, well, this looks like a little baby's butt. This is cute. Clowning is family fun. So I was naughty. So I wanted to get a pair of clown stilettos.
How do you tell if it's done?
So you can kind of see, what's hot. See, it looks like dough, like literally. And it's still soft in the middle.
Oh, so that means you got to put it back in?
Yep, for like 10 seconds.
Isn't this amazing?
It is, very ingenious.
Well, I guess you invent things to cope with what you have to deal with.
Yeah, and you have a lot of time, you know?
Alright. We'll just kind of test it. Oh, in the middle is still it. Almost done.
I'd say eat that, yeah.
Almost.
Really, truly, that's probably illegal what you just did.
Why?
Because if you're making stuff to serve, you probably shouldn't be tasting.
Oh yeah, no, I'm a terrible.
Oh,
You're supposed to taste your favorite food. You said I do like with clean stuff.
So
I'm not gonna put this one
actually,
in.
you could have 10 Oreos and make a little one of these. I think that's amazing.
That should be good now.
What do you want now?
For a pot holder or something?
Yes, I'm gonna put my body.
Napkins, yeah.
Alright.
You're probably gonna have to edit
Ta-da!
this. Oh, look at that.
See? Looks like cake.
It does. It looks like a cake. Cool.
Yep.
Oh, okay. That makes
Frosting is the same way. Mush it up. Honestly, I probably could have taken this out there with me.
sense. What's that?
Actually, I think it would be hard not to eat that, just the cookie part. Oh, it does smell good. It smells like a fair.
Alright, so that looks pretty much mushed up. And let's go microwave this for a second. So the frosting actually melts a little faster. So we're gonna just kind of watch it for a second. Okay.
Everybody said it at the same
Alright. Is there a straw or a spoon?
Spoon? Where?
Just a spoons.
Here, right here.
They got symbols, David. Symbols.
Sorry. There you go.
Alright. Perfect. It's getting really good.
All the time.
No, we're mean to him because he's dumb.
Oh, jeez.
That was pretty hard.
Man.
David, you know I love you. Alright, a little bit more. I want it a little thinner.
You do that all the time. I hate
Okay.
doing it.
Look at it.
I used to wake up at
See that?
Oh, yeah.
Super gooey. So then, literally, you just pour it on like cake. See how it's all.
Why is it important for the chocolate part to be hot?
Because it tastes better when it's warm.
Okay. I just didn't know if that had something to do with the rest. You know.
Nope.
Okay.
It just tastes good.
It does taste better hot.
Mhm.
Cool.
So then you can scrape it out if you need to.
Or if you
I
want.
think you should eat that, yeah.
Oh, we need more spoons. Oh, no, I'm terrible. But this is the taste test. See? Look at it. It's just like a little cake.
Cool.
So good.
That almost looks like fudge.
Try it. It's good.
It does look like fudge, doesn't it?
And it's nice and warm, too. And
I would
good?
have never dreamed. Never.
It's good, isn't it?
It's fantastic.
That would be worth going to jail for.
I know, yeah.
To get some recipes.
Now, when they send me up, I won't be so afraid. I'll have something to look forward to.
Look at it. It's beautiful.
Thank you, and that's just another great recipe that we learned. Great for prisoners, great for college students, great for senior citizens who don't want to make a whole cake.
Mm-hmm.
They can make a few Oreos. So we're going to be doing this on a regular basis. And we'll have other sweet surprises to bring you. Quick, easy, and yum, yum, yum. Stay tuned.